Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple brown tin loaf. Let's begin. Into your mixing bowl you'll want to place your brown bread flour along with the salt and give it a quick whisk just to incorporate the two, as if the salt and the yeast touch it will deactivate the yeast. You can then go ahead and add in the sugar, the yeast, the white shortening and the water. You will then want to mix this on a low speed for 2 minutes and then on a high speed for 6 minutes until the dough is formed and it's clear like this. If it doesn't look like this, you may need to add more flour or more water, depending. You can then flour your surface and place your dough onto it. Go ahead and give the dough a brief knead just to incorporate a bit more flour and just help it seem more smooth and elastic. You can then transfer this into a lightly oiled bowl and then cover the bowl with some cling film. Once the bowl is covered in cling film, you will then want to leave it for around 45 minutes to an hour just for it to double in size, and once it doubles in size you will then be able to take it out of the bowl and put it onto a lightly floured surface and just put the dough on top and then knead it. This is the process of knocking the air out of the dough. This just shows that the yeast is working. You can then start to reform the dough back into a kind of fat sausage shape and then just bring it together into that shape. Try and get as even as possible, and once you've done that you can then put it into your prepared loaf tin and just put some cling film over that and leave it for another hour or until it's this size. Once it's finished its second proof, you can then place it into the oven and bake it off. All that information will be in the link down below. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll be back again on Thursday with another upload, and then the following Tuesday with another bread episode. So join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the links in the description down below. There'll be links to my social media and my blog and everything else you need. So don't forget to go and check that out. And until next time, bye guys.